So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video.
So why Lyft and Uber drivers did their largest strike ever? Wow.
I don't know why. They're fed up, I guess. Look at these guys. Would you stand out in the sun protesting for more wages?
No.
Why not? You don't think it's going to work?
They've done a lot of protests and strikes and stuff, and it seems like it hasn't done anything, so.
Actually, there was a study that came out saying that Uber cut pay for drivers over this past year.
Oh.
So it's actually doing the opposite effect. But yeah, let's take a look at this. The protest spotlight gig workers' lack of basic labor protections. Can you read this?
Yeah, so on Wednesday, Lyft, Uber, and DoorDash drivers mounted one of their largest strikes ever as part of a push for fair pay and better protections. The strikes, which took place in as many as 44 cities across the country, lasted at least 2 hours and featured drivers refusing to give rides while gathering at airports in cities including Chicago, Newark, and Philadelphia. Drivers are protesting the wages they're being paid, a lack of transparency around how pay is calculated, and concerns about abrupt account deactivations by the app.
Yeah, so this is on Vox, guys. So this is making major headlines. And I mean, the protest kind of is working to get the word out there to the public, but the question is Uber and Lyft going to do anything about it? This is what some guy said right here.
Yeah, pay has gotten significantly lower in recent years. This is what an Uber driver said who planned to rally at Reagan Airport outside Washington, D.C. That's why people are super angry right now.
Yep.
Too many Uber and Lyft drivers are unable to spend time with their own children and loved ones as they work extreme hours in mobile sweatshop conditions with virtually zero protections on the job.
Mobile sweatshop conditions. Yeah, just quit Uber at that point.
Yeah, for real.
Go do TikTok shop full time.